The safety ethics and real-life application of light and sounds. So what factors should we consider before deciding if the technology is safe? And can a technology be useful but still become unsafe when used improperly? So what do you think? So these are the safety and ethics for application of technologies. So we have here the benefits of the light technologies. What are those benefits? The light technologies improve for communication, healthcare, transportation, and entertainment. And then the benefits of this light technology is for faster communication, energy efficiency, better healthcare, and improved safety. Next, these are the benefits of the sound technologies. So sound technologies assist the communication, navigation, medicine, and entertainment. So example natin for the sound technology, we have here the speaker, the hearing aid, the ultrasound machine, solar system, and microphone. So what are those benefits of these sounds technologies? Improve communication, medical diagnosis, navigation and safety, and also for entertainment use. So what are the risks associated with the light technologies? So assess natin what are those risks. Number one here is the eye strain. Of course, the prolonged exposure to screen may cause the headache, eye fatigue, and blurred vision. Okay, so too much use of screen. Associated with light technology, number two is the laser hazard. So sa laser hazard naman natin, kapag improper yung gamit natin dito, it could lead to damage eyes and cause accident. With the sound technology, we have here the noise pollution. The sources of the noise pollution, traffic, factories, loud concert, construction site, and then ang effect naman ng noise pollution, it could lead to hearing loss, stress, and sleep disturbances. So pagka nagkaroon tayo ng hearing damage, ang reason kung bakit nagkakaroon tayo ng hearing damage can result from the excessive use of headphone, loud music, and long exposure to noise. Okay? So, lahat ng sobra ay masama. Next, we have here the ethics and responsibility technology. For light technologies, avoid directing laser at people, limit the screen time, use energy-efficient lighting. So, ito yung mga ethics natin and responsible technology use. Also, for sound technology naman, we have to follow the safe listening level, respect the community noise regulation, use the sound system responsibly. Okay, for the guided question, why should people limit exposure to loud sounds? Because the loud sound can damage hearing and cause stress, headache, and problem. How can excessive screen time affect health? It can cause eye strain, headache, poor sleep, and fatigue. Also, why is laser safety important? So the laser can damage the eyes and cause accident if they use improperly. And how does noise pollution affect the community? So it can disturb sleep, reduce the concentration, and negatively affect health. What responsibilities come using technology? So what are those responsibilities? We have to use the technology safely, responsibly, and in ways that do not harm others or the environment. So for the assessment, number one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, and 10. Thank you for watching.